In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Cameo in Microsoft Teams PowerPoint Live. If you're looking to enhance your presentations with a personal touch, you've come to the right place. Cameo is an interesting feature in PowerPoint that allows you to integrate your live camera feed into your slides. It adds a level of engagement and personalization by letting you appear alongside your presentation, engaging directly with your audience. So let's dive right into the steps to make this happen. First things first, open PowerPoint on your computer. This is the starting point for creating anything within PowerPoint Live. If you're not already familiar with PowerPoint, it's part of the Microsoft Office suite and is widely used for creating impactful presentations. Now locate the PowerPoint presentation you want to enhance with Cameo, double click to open your file within the application. Be sure to review your slides to ensure everything is ready before you start inserting the Cameo feature. Next, head to the Insert tab in the PowerPoint interface. This tab is your gateway to a range of tools designed to enrich your presentations with various multimedia elements, from pictures and shapes to online images. And now, Cameo. In this Insert menu, look for the Cameo button. It might be tucked among the other tools, so take your time if it's your first time using this feature. Once you've found the Cameo button, click on it. This will initiate the Cameo setup process within your current slide. It's important to note that Cameo uses your device's camera to integrate your live image, so a functioning camera is essential for this feature. Placing Cameo on your slide is as simple as another click where you'll choose this slide from the subsequent options. This selects the particular slide where you want your camera feed to appear, giving you flexibility about its location and timing. Now let's move on to activating your camera to complete the setup. Find the turn on camera option, often depicted with a simple camera icon. Clicking this allows your camera to start streaming your live feed into the presentation. You might be prompted to allow PowerPoint to access your camera if it's your first time using this feature. Ensure you accept any permissions required so that your camera feed seamlessly integrates into your presentation. With your camera now active, you can reposition and resize it directly on the slide, just like any other object in PowerPoint. This means you can adjust it to ensure it doesn't overshadow your main content, but still keeps you in the picture. And there you have it, you're all set to conduct your presentation with Cameo in Microsoft Teams PowerPoint Live, making you an integral part of your visual storytelling. This personal touch can create a more engaging experience for your audience. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy creating more interactive and personal presentations.